I invite you to stay with me for the best meatball in tomato sauce ever. This is your Jamaican girl Norlene, and as usual, I have something special for you today. So guys, I'm doing a large batch of meatballs. So I have 3 pounds of ground beef, guys. I allow this to sit for about an hour in some Pepsi. Yeah, you heard me right, some Pepsi, guys. I've used 2 cans of Pepsi, and then I drain away the Pepsi and season well. So guys, I use my green blended season. I use some black pepper, some steak season. Of course, I use my herbs, some oregano, some thyme, guys. Of course, I add to that some allspices, and then guys, I allow this to sit for about an hour to marinate. After about an hour, guys, I add to some flour, of course, powdered seasoning and salt, guys. And then I roll my balls, guys. Yeah, my balls. I roll them, guys. And then I shallow fry this in some coconut oil. You guys, just look at this. It smells good already, guys. I am so happy that you have joined me. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining. Please remember to subscribe if you have not already done so. Watch the video to the end. Give me some thumbs up. Share my video with your friends, guys. And of course, turn on your notification. I welcome your comments. So leave it also in the comment section. So guys, see there? It look good. Can done. This is my second batch I'm doing, guys, and I'm allowed them to be golden brown. So guys, may I use some roasted tomato sauce with garlic and herbs, guys. I add this to some green seasoning. Next, guys, I've added about 2 tablespoons of ragu alfredo sauce, guys. I add some herbs and spices, some oregano, some paprika to this, guys, some black pepper, and of course some all-purpose seasoning. It's basically blended herbs. I then stir this well, lower my heat to medium high, guys, and allow this to cook in nicely, guys. Make sure you taste for salt. If you need salt, you can add it. It's really up to you, guys. My meatballs are all laid out in my baking pan, guys, and I just throw on all of this good up sauce over my meatballs. Now just look at how good this looks, guys. It smells amazing. Next, guys, I'm just gonna garnish this with some green onions and bell pepper, guys. I just allow this sauce to just smother these meatballs and let it just steep into it, guys. This is amazingly delicious. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope you try this next time you're in your kitchen. See you next week.